Headshot photography station on location at a veterinarian hospital. This is the sign up. You use an iPad, Bluetooth keyboard, and QR code for those who want to use their smartphone. This is the rolling all-in-one stand, starting off with the base, going into the iPad mini. This controls all the lights, PavoSlim 120s, and this is the PavoSlim 240C, which I'm using as the main light for the headshots. It's a 2x2, folds up in the back, easily transportable. This is the NANLITE app, and this is the NANLITE PavoSlim 120C that I use as a underfill and vertical. So this is the PavoSlim 120C. All of the lights, I believe, are 5400 Kelvin. Also have the PavoSlim 120C camera left as a kicker, along with the PavoSlim 120C as a hair light, which I have mounted behind the backdrop. PavoSlim 120s fit very securely into a case. PavoSlim 120C as the hair light I have mounted behind the Manfrotto backdrop with the grids to control spill onto the backdrop. Then we also have the PavoSlim 120C camera right on a rolling stand. This pole comes off and I can easily put it into the Matthews rolling case. This is a 1x2 PavoSlim 120C. And we also brought along the NANLITE Alien 300C overkill for this, but I have it lining up the backdrop, which is a Manfrotto, controlled from this caddy, mounted on the rolling stand, also with the grids to control spill. PavoSlim most of the lights are PavoSlim, with the exception of the Alien 300C. From the NANLITE app, you can control output, Kelvin, and green, magenta, if you need to do that. Maybe you could screen magenta. Pretty much once I get everything set up, I try to leave everything as is to control consistency. Only time I adjust the hair light is if somebody has no hair, or if they're blonde, you need less light, or if they're dark hair, you need more light. So that's all easily controlled from the NANLITE app. Used to do it from my phone, so people were wondering why I'm on my phone, but now it's right in front of my face, where I'm able to completely control it from the iPad mini. Having the Alien 300C give a little bit of directional light on the backdrop helps to separate the person or the four-legged friend from the backdrop. So the NANLITE app works really well if you have it completely set up on the iPad. I have a cage around, so I was able to mount this to the Studio Titan America stand. Just giving an example showing that I'm able to control the lights from the iPad. You just have to click on each light and you can change the Kelvin or the white balance. This is a color light, so it has a really wide range of color. Sometimes I go warm on my kickers in the hair light, so it gives a little bit of a separation from the main light.